Hello kids. Kids, today we learn the 1 to 10 counting. Blue color. 1 1 2 2 Purple color. 3 3 Green color. 4 4 Light green. 5 5 Red color. 6 6 7 7 Black color. 8 8 Light blue. 9 9 Light green. 1 0 10 1 0 10 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 Kids, I hope you will like this video. See you in next videos. Bye bye.